Educators, so if you remember, we were working with arithmetic sequence last time, and we started getting into the arithmetic formula. And so if you remember, that first term is a, and then the constant difference in this equation would be 2. And so knowing this information, we can actually create a formula. So the a2 is actually a plus d, right? A plus 2 would give you 5, because 3 plus 2. So a plus d. And then we can continue that process, which simplifies to a plus 2d. And that is why our formula works, right? The a4 is actually an a plus d plus d plus d, because you're doing the first term plus the difference again, plus the difference again. So we could simplify that down to a plus 3d. And so if we continue that process, we can actually notice that term a1, which is 3, that first term, has no d with it, right? And so term A2 is 1D, term A3 is 2D, term A4 is 3D. Make the connection, right? Look what's happening. So A1 has no D, so what minus what will give you 0. 2 has 1D, 3 has 2D, 4 has 3D. And so you can kind of see, hopefully, the number of D's is subtracted by 1 each time. So from here, we can actually start looking into our equation. And you will get a formula like this, okay? And so you are going to end up getting a1 plus d times n minus 1 will equal the term you are missing, right? The nth term, this is the term you are looking for. The first term is the sequence of the sequence. D is the constant difference. The term you're looking for would be n minus 1, okay? And so we can show that this works by using our formula. First term is 3. The constant difference is by 2. And the term needed is 22. Substitute the number into the equation. So an equals a1 plus d times n minus 1, which is actually 3 plus d minus or times n1. Substitute d for 2, substitute n for 22, and we can simplify. 22 minus 1 is going to give you 22. 22 times 2 will give you 44, plus 3 will give you 45. So go ahead and practice this one. Pause it and practice. Let's go ahead and go through it. First term is negative 14. Common difference is going to be, what do you think? Confused? That's a hard one, right? And so what you can do is you can work backwards. Do negative 47 minus negative 36, and you will get the common difference, which is negative 11. And you can continue that process and see that negative 11 keeps coming up, so our common difference is negative 11. Our n term that we are looking for is the 17th, so that's n, and we substitute our numbers into our equation. A becomes negative 14, D becomes negative 11, n becomes 17, and then you solve. Simplify, and you should get the 17th term of this sequence would be negative 190. So go ahead and go through these practice questions. If you have any questions, please let me know, and then you can go ahead and do the activity attached. All right, have a great weekend or day. Hopefully I'll see you soon. All right, bye.